Hi, I'm Alexis deBoschnek, a cookbook author and recipe developer based in the Catskills. Today I'm in the kitchen rolling up my sleeves with Frank and Eileen. Today I'm making the Everything Bagel Tomato Panzanella for my new cookbook, Nights and Weekends. First, I'm going to take advantage of the garden and get some tomatoes. All my recipes are really approachable, they're seasonal, I'm using a ton of fresh produce in them, and it feels very in line with Frank and Eileen's ethos. My idea for this panzanella was to create kind of like a deconstructed bagel, but in panzanella form. So that means tomatoes, red onion, and fennel. That all gets tossed together with some crispy bread, dressed in this creamy dressing and sprinkled with everything bagel spice. The Everything Bagel Panzanella is amazing on its own, but you could totally serve it as a side too. I'm often wearing white in the kitchen, which really freaks people out, but with Frank and Eileen, it's all machine washable. The key to a good salad is to layer. What I really love about the recipes in this book is that they're really so easy and approachable. You can have an amazing meal on a Tuesday night. It doesn't have to be fancy. It's just about knowing the right ingredients and techniques to put together. A beautiful, bountiful meal in no time. Cheers!